What's up guys, Rev here, with yet another coronavirus video. Oh god, please not another one of those, Rev. We can't take any more bad news. Look guys, I can't go to school, I can't go to work, I basically can't leave my home. All I can do is sit around and watch hentai all day. Guys, I'm starting to prune. Okay, seriously, this video is pretty important for YouTubers, and I think it's important for viewers to be aware of some things going on in this platform. So yesterday, YouTube made an official statement about the coronavirus and how the platform is responding to it. Nothing special in this tweet, it's similar to statements made by other companies. However, it was the follow-up tweet that was simply YouTube-ish. I had to make up a word to describe it because only YouTube can mess things up this bad. So here it is, somehow in only the size of a tweet, YouTube was able to further damage any confidence creators had in them, which honestly is barely anything to begin with. First, it's important to note, they just admitted that they use bot systems to review videos. Now I'm sure you're like, duh Rev, of course they do. We all know that. Well, YouTube has actively denied that forever. They've always claimed that every video is reviewed manually by a person. Second, they have decided to send home workers and therefore lose a large portion of their workforce. You know, I'm sure there's a lot of people watching this who are working at home because of this virus. Most jobs, while inconvenient, can be done at some level at the home. But YouTube says they cannot do this with their reviewers. I literally cannot think of a job more suited for the home than reviewing YouTube videos. You viewers, you are doing the exact same function as we speak. So either they're lying again or they're really that dumb. And finally, in this time of crisis, while relying on bots to do all the work, they have done the rational thing and decided to tighten up their guidelines and accept punishing creators for mistakes made by these bots. Wonderful. Makes sense to me. Oh my god, bro. What are we doing? How can a company consistently yeet out the most disappointing decisions over and over again? This is an official policy. There was probably a team who worked on crafting this statement. How, dude? How do you do this? I honestly would have preferred if they did these things and just didn't tell us about it. At least I could have had blissful ignorance. But no, YouTube wanted to make sure to raise the anxiety levels in a time where nobody needs it. I really don't know what else to say at this point. I want to believe things can't get worse, but I don't know. That's about it. I'll see you guys next time.